Follow Me by Tricia Tusa. I wander through pink. And get lost in blue. I rise, I fall in purple and gray. I whisper, I hum, and I find my way. Lost in small, green, happy music. Follow me deep into brown, into the bright white of yellow, into orange that slips into red. All tumble together. Look at me. Follow me into the curl of a breeze. I am caught in its folds, around and around and around. I reach up, way out, over and beyond, across that easy sway of blue. Until I drift back down. Down, down. To the green below. Arms out, head back, I twirl. I twirl and I twirl and I twirl until I find my way, find my way. I find my way. I find my way back home. The end.